I promise you, you do not want to get these two confused. Welcome back to Manifest with Log as we help individuals all across their lifespan improve their lives through the use of intention, manifestation techniques from all the different spiritual teachers. So today we're going to talk about the law of assumption versus the law of attraction. And these two are incredibly important and are actually intertwined very greatly when it comes to manifesting your dream reality. Okay. So we're going to talk about the two differences and also the two similarities behind them. And this is going to give you some really good insight that you can take into your actionable day. So for starters, everything is vibrational in the world. Okay. So all the things we see and feel, it's all vibrations. Okay. So if you have $1 million, that's because you are operating at the vibrations of having $1 million. Okay. So you're thinking things that will make you $1 million or at least allow you to have $1 million. Right. So that's kind of a first concept. So everything is vibration. That's essentially the law of vibration. So also with the law of vibrations, you will attract things. The law of attraction, law of vibrations. We're going really deep here. Law of vibrations, everything vibrational. Law of attraction is you will only attract things that are in your vibrational reality. Okay, so kind of again with that money situation, if you are vibrating at the level of somebody who is wanting $1 million or having $1 million, you will have $1 million. Simply put, so thinking things, doing things, acting in ways that would get you to have millions and millions of dollars, of course. The law of assumption is a way that you can apply the law of attraction to get your manifestations faster. Okay, so the second you start assuming different things in your daily life, we'll use the money example once again. So let's say you're trying to manifest $1 million. To use the law of assumption in this case, you would then maybe write down in your planner, like, write out $1 million check to mom. Okay, or send a letter to your CEO that he's getting a $500,000 raise. Okay, so just doing things or thinking things like that, and then essentially you're just thinking it throughout the day. You're constantly assuming, like, oh, when my next million comes in, what am I going to do with that? I'm going to donate it to my favorite charity. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Actually, I think it's supposed to come in my bank account tomorrow. And when that happens, I'm going to do it. I know exactly what charity. And you're simply living from the end state. The problem with the law of assumption that people don't realize and that they don't understand with the law of attraction is that if you are assuming things that you don't really want, you are going to attract things that you don't really want. Okay. So, for example, the money situation, if you think you want a lot of money, but don't know deep down what to do with it, or don't think you'd be responsible with it, or don't think you're worthy of it, you are going to lose all of that money you attract into your life. Okay. So, it's very responsibility based. And that's a problem that I see with a lot of individuals who are trying to manifest different things using the law of assumption. They don't come from a place of actually wanting things and desires from their heart. And because of this, they start assuming things that maybe somebody else wants or they think they should want. And they start living from that end state. They attract it in their life and they still feel completely unhappy, unwhole, and unworthy of all those different things. And they lose it all. Okay. This can happen a lot of times when you're manifesting an SP. You can think from the end of, okay, I'm imagining myself on a date with my SP. Maybe I imagine myself getting married with them in my imagination. And if you don't have unconditional love for yourself, and if you don't feel completely good about your own life, guess what? You are going to be manifesting somebody into your desired state, into your three-dimensional reality that is going to be completely conditional. They will fill that void of love and lack that you have. And then the second they leave, you're going to feel lack and you're going to feel no love. Okay, so just something to consider. Both are important, but make sure if you're using the law of assumption to use the law of attraction and understand that you are attracting what you actually are thinking about. And make sure that when you are assuming things, you are only assuming from things that you deeply want and that you are whole yourself. So go ahead and like the video if you enjoyed that, and check out this video right here that talks all about how I cured my fear of eating different foods, junk foods and everything. And now I can eat literally whatever I want with manifestation techniques. I have a super lean, healthy, good looking body. And this is how I did it. One of the few techniques there. So go check that out. You'll enjoy it. See you next time.